Right, we come now to the first of the bronze medal contests in the under 73 kilo category. Batzaya Erdenebayar of Mongolia goes up against Behruzi Hoҷazода of Tajikistan. It's Batzaya in the white judogi, Hoҷazода in blue. The referee in the middle for this one is Cho In-chul of the Republic of Korea.
Well, himself a double world champion, he was, as a competitor. So top guys refereeing out there. They've done the business.
Hoҷazоda had just the one loss this morning in the preliminaries.
Yes, Batzaya is obviously on home ground here and enjoying this, I'm sure. Here he goes.
Lost out in the semi-final to Yoshi Ken of Japan. That put him into this bronze medal contest.
Strong fight for grips, as you would expect. And of course, the Mongolians come from so many different angles with their gripping, and mainly from their wrestling tradition here in Mongolia. Although they're practicing judokas, they're not just coming from the wrestling ring to put a jacket on and then do judo. These are all judokas, but it has kind of come from the different styles. I mean, the original wrestling style in Mongolia didn't have sleeves on the jacket, you know, so that's why they do a lot of underhooks and things like that. Going for the Jujigatami here, Hoҷazоda. He was onto that arm then. I like Hoҷazоda. I think he's a great find. I really do. He's there around about almost every match now, every competition. So he's going to switch this over. He's going to click into the arm. Now look, he'll come back up here.
Lost it now.
Yeah, just lost it.
Ganbat Bolbatar in the chair. Himself a world champion. A few weights lighter though.
Than he is now, or than this.
Yeah, he's probably 73 kilos now. He used to be 60. He's put a bit of weight on.
Good Osoto there from Batzaya. Quite a well-educated crowd. They love their combat sports. They really do. Two Shidos then up for Hoҷazоda. And again, Osoda Gary getting closer with it. Hoҷazоda will have to start to initiate now. Look at that, reaching Osoto there. Wasn't so far off either, was it?
Good effort. No, that wasn't the best effort.
I think Khojazoda has got to start to go to work here because he's going to lose this.
And Batzaya doesn't mind being on the ground, rolling around for a bit, burning up some of the clock. He still thinks that he can throw Khojazoda, and if he does that in the last minute, he'll take the contest because there will be so little time left. He's got a real air of confidence about him now.
And he catches him. He catches him for a Wazari. 37 seconds to go. He has a quick look up at the scoreboard there, Khojazoda, but that was really well taken. He'd actually threatened, hadn't he, with that Osota. Look at them, their indicated ippon there.
The former Mongolia coach there in the middle. Well, they're going to have a look.
They are going to have a look.
This.
I thought it was a Wazari. I thought it was lovely Wazari, but we can't see the exact landing from here, can we? But it was Osoto to Osoto. Osoto Gaeshi in the end catches Khojazoda. They're trying to decide whether it's...
Oh, in attempting to avoid going onto his back, Khojazoda uses both elbows. So one, he'll give up the score, but he's also got to give up
a Shido,
which makes
Absolutely.
it a third penalty, and that's the end of it.
I didn't see it, on the two elbows.
Well,
so
it's away
otherwise,
from us.
Yeah.
You're okay, you're covered.
Well, I like to think, you know, that we're on top of it, and Mr. Patelga, the former president of Mongolia, a former world champion, Sambo world champion, as well as a judo champion as well. And he's now the president of the Mongolian Judo Federation. Absolutely loves his judo, and he loves the fighters as well, and looks after them, doesn't he? I mean, you know firsthand.
Yeah, very generous, way over and above his responsibility as president. Personal support for lots of the athletes.
Khojazoda starts it off with the Osoto Gari there, but it's Osoto to Osoto.
Oh, the wrong signal.
The Shido was
for grabbing below
the belt.
And
so
Cho Chul gave for the...
and what happens is he held below the belt there to stop the ippon, which meant, of course, that he prevented the ippon. So it's a Shido as well as... So he didn't go on to two elbows, it was just literally that he grabbed below the belt line.
And I was going to say, I didn't see him go on two elbows. There was a good reason why we didn't see it. It didn't happen. but he did grab below the waist, defending